Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to note down all the important theory questions that you need to study for your university paper under the subject Sales and Distribution Management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V students under the marketing field. The subject is also known as SDM. So in this video, we're going to take up the most likely question that can appear in the paper from each module. So there are 4 modules from each module, which are the most important questions that you need to cover up. That is all what we're going to discuss in this video. Chalo, let us start one by one. Okay. Now under module 1, which is Introduction to Sales and Distribution Management, these are the 8 topics that you need to cover up. Number 1, what are the qualities of sales manager? Second, what are the various development that has happened in sales management? Okay. Third, explain the structure of sales organization. Very important topic. See, all these topics are very important. First, whenever you will start revising or studying this particular subject, first go through these questions, thereafter you all can learn additional question that you all require. Okay. Fourth, explain professionalism in selling. Fifth, explain internal marketing. Sixth is explain various functions of a sales manager. Seventh is explain the importance of distribution management. And the last question, question number 8, explain the role of intermediaries. Okay. So these are the top 8 questions that you need to cover up from module 1. You all can go through it once. Okay, now from module 2, its name as Market Analysis and Selling, very important chapter. Under that, the very first question, what are the various factors of market analysis? Second, explain sales forecasting. That can be like one on short note based, and also they can also explain the various techniques of sales forecasting. Next, explain various types of sales quota. Next is explain various stages of process of selling. Next, explain various types of sales closing techniques. Next is explain various product price strategies. Now these last three questions are very important. Seventh is explain various types of selling strategies. Again, very important topic. And last, explain various types of selling skills. Again, a very important topic. Okay, so these are the 8 topics that you need to cover up under module 2. You all can go through it once. Okay, next, under module 3, that is distribution channel management, these are the following questions that you need to cover up. Number 1, explain channel partners, and under that also you have another subtopic, explain the various functions of wholesaler. So now when you study based on functions of wholesaler, even learn the functions of retailer and keep it. Okay, either one of them can be there. Next, explain various types of channel partners. Next, explain the various factors affecting distribution channel or distribution strategy, sorry. Next, write a short note or explain channel design. Question number 5th, explain various types of channel conflict, very important. And last, the most important, explain Kenneth Thomas 5 styles of conflict resolution, very important topic from module 3. Okay, so these were the 6 topics from module 3 which are very important that you need to cover up first. You can go through it once. Okay, now the last module, performance evaluation ethics and trends. That's the name of the unit, module 4. Under that, the very first question, explain sales performance and what are the various methods of supervision of sales force. Okay, under sales performance, that this is one of the most important topic, methods of supervision of sales force. Second, explain sales performance review, or how is sales performance review done. Next, explain ethics in sales, again very important. Now question number 4, 2 separate questions can be asked. Explain sales performance evaluation, or they can even ask you explain sales performance evaluation criteria based on the key results area. So explain the key result area of sales performance evaluation can be also separately asked. Next, question number 5th, explain the new trends in sales and distribution management. Okay, various trends which are there. And lastly, explain the various tools for channel control. Okay, so these were various 6 questions, very important questions under unit 4. You can go through it once. Okay, so I hope everyone have noted down all those important topics that you need to cover up under sales and distribution management. So with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.